Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back for another video. Martin with Bellevore Auto Spa, and today we're going to review a new product from Armour Detail Supply. If you couldn't tell by everything else in the video, this is their Hero Rinseless Wash, and I don't actually know, I don't recall if it was fortified with any ceramic. I think it was. Let's look at the things here. Introducing Hero, blah 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 blah, safe and convenient way to experience, allowing you to wash. Heroes in your Rinseless wash solution, cleaning power, hybrid solution, so it should be polymer and surfactant. Exceptional cleaning power, surfactant free, residue free, not surfactant free. Hero incorporates silica, has SiO2 backbone, so it does protect. Alright, so that's all I wanted to know. I believe they told me that before, but I forgot. So, thank you to DJ and Bradley at Armour Detail Supply for sending this out. They did send this out for free to test and assess because they like my feedback, and I appreciate that. It's a good opportunity for us both. So, it's got different dilutions. You can use it as a rinseless wash, clay lubricant, waterless wash. So, shake well before dispensing. And yeah, it did foam up in there a little bit, suds up in there a little bit. Inspect vehicle, yeah, I already did that. Large, heavily sandable. Okay, so it's a rinseless wash. So 256 to 1. I think that's what also, these are different ones. Oh, there goes my dog. So 1 ounce to 2 gallons of water. So in half ounce per gallon, I've got about 2.5 gallons of water. So I'm gonna put about 2 ounces in here. So let's pan down to the bucket. Let me yell at my dog to shut up. Hold on. Alright, so I got our little 1 ounce measuring medicine cups. These are perfect for detailing. So, nice pink color. You know what this looks like? Pink So-Be. Kind of smells like it too. The smell, what is this? Watermelon? Strawberry watermelon? Something like that. Good smell if you like those sorts of smells. Alright, got that in there. Let me go grab my wash sponge. Alright, so Armour, I know they sell the auto fiber flip towels if you want to use those for rinseless. Some people like those for rinseless. I like the rinseless wash sponge. This is the Rag Company Ultra Black. I know they just came out with a new one called like the Ultra Safe or Ultra Soft or something. Looks just like this. I guess it's just a softer material. This one's worked just fine for me though. I'm gonna go ahead and get that all mixed up. And it's so strange, even though it's a pink solution, it turns sort of purple bluish in the water. And I mean, of course, that's not the solution changing, it's just, you know, the chemistry of what's happening as it gets diluted with water. So then, I'm going to take my IK multi-sprayer. I've got a little bit of leftover or something else that's in there. I'm going to dump that out. It'll evaporate. We're going to fill this up. This is what we're going to use to pre-soak. And I don't need that much, I don't think. That should do. And screw this on. So I'm not going to be doing, like, I know some of you guys that watch this channel watch Eddie Cologne, the Rinseless Wash Master. Eddie does a really deep assessment of rinseless washes. So if that's what you're interested in, check his channel out. I just like to use the rinseless wash and just, you know, give my user experience how it works. Yeah, that should be pumped up enough. We're going to pan over to the vehicle. I'm going to grab a drying towel before I get started. And let's get this going. So what better way to show than to, we'll clean the roof off. So you got some bird dookie there, streaks on the window. Now I like using rinseless wash, not when the car is super dirty, but only when it's a little bit dirty. If it's super dirty, I'm going to get soap and water out. That being said, it's not a possibility for everyone. You know, I also say another good thing, you can go buy a touchless wash. One of those cheap ones. I'm trying to get this camera into position. You can go buy a touchless wash, pay for their cheapest package. That way you get your car sprayed off, and get all the heavy stuff off, then you can come home and rinseless wash. I do that sometimes when I'm at work because I can't wash my car at work. I stop by the touchless wash on my lunch. Anywho, I can get that saturated. That's how you pre-saturate. You can also do it with a spray bottle. I'm going to take my rinseless wash sponge. Simple back and forth motion. I'm going to get the bird poop last because I don't want to be dragging bird poop over the rest of the car. Poop came off nice and easily. Rinse that off in a bucket. Go to the next section. Alright, throw that back in the bucket, grab a drying towel, and just dry the area. Now this is a cheap drying towel I got from Walmart. Armour does sell a really nice high quality towel. I do have one. That one I purchased myself. It is pretty nice, but I think it's dirty. So I'm using this one. It is a little humid, so it's taking longer for the streaks to go away. But you can see it just flash off, and you're left with a nice clean surface. A little bit of a streak there. That's just humid. If you're washing and it's highly humid, what's the humidity in here? Let me show you guys. I live in one of the most humid environments in the U.S. Humidity in my garage right now because I had the door open. We're at 76% humidity, okay? It's not even that hot. I did close the door and turn the air conditioner on, but that's just the nature of the beast living in Central Texas. But you can see, there we go. It went away. Nice and clean compared to how it was. So I'm going to get to the rest of this car done. I'm not going to do it on camera. But let's go back to the table for our final thoughts. Alright, back at the table now. We look down. Water is a little bit dirty from those sectional roof passes, but that means obviously it's cleaning, as it should. Doing its job, not scratching. So, when it comes to Armour Detail Supply's Hero rinseless wash, it's really nice. It's too easy for me to say. I mean, it feels nice and slick. It feels like I'm washing safely. The only thing I have to compare it to is Wolfgang SiO2. This is a very slick product, but this is only polymer based. This uses some surfactant, so you get some extra cleaning power. That's one reason why after I'm out of this, I'm just going to be sticking with DIY Details. This doesn't have any protection in it. I really like it. We've also got FameLab's V2, and they just, not even a year later, they released V3, so I got to get through V3 and check it out. Yeah, these are both polymer based. This is the pure surfactant. This has like solvent in it. I swear to God, it's got limonene in it. Super strong. But just for maintenance, you know, DIY Detail's good. But I think this is going to be my new go-to for a rinseless wash with protection in it. At least until we start seeing some other options in the market, and we'll have to put them head-to-head and test them out. But that's all I got for you guys. If you are interested in purchasing this product, I've got a 10% off discount code to their site. They are not on Amazon, at least not yet. But they're still a small up-and-coming business, so definitely support them. They have had a very strong first year launching this brand because the quality speaks for itself. They're not just some other brand trying to saturate the market, rebranding, which I don't have a problem with companies rebranding, but Armour definitely did their research, their R&D. They came out of the gate strong, original formulas, original bottles, labeling's really nice. They're doing a great job. They've been killing it, so keep up the great work, DJ, Bradley, the rest of the team. That's all I got for you guys in this video. I will see you all in the next one. Keep them clean. Have a good one.